Tired of the grind? What if you could unlock every weapon, access unlimited resources, and dominate the competition? That's the power of new multi-loader. First, download the cheat client using the secure link in the description below. After installation, locate the downloaded file, usually in your Downloads folder, and run the installer. Just follow the on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process. Finally, launch the multi-loader from your desktop. Select your desired settings for game, and you're all set. The cheat will activate automatically when you start the game.